Our pillow packing machine is the perfect solution for packaging irregular and sticky items, as well as solid objects. It can package a wide range of items, from food such as noodles, sausages, and bread, to non-food items like soap and tape. With a packing speed of 30 to 120 bags per minute and compatibility with various packaging film types, this machine is efficient and versatile. It's also precise and reliable, thanks to its 3 servos, 7-inch touchscreen display, and automatic adjustment of bag length. Choose our pillow packing machine for the ultimate packaging performance.